Welcome to our drawer box assembly tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to glue and assemble your miter folded drawer box. Here's a list of things you will need: glue, rubber mallet, and a solid work surface. Your unassembled drawer box will consist of these three parts: panel, drawer box, and wooden dowels. Let's get started. With your glue, apply a bead in each of the three miter fold joints and dabs of glue along the lines of the dado. Don't forget to apply a little glue into the holes where the dowels will be seated. Now you can start by inserting the panel into the drawer box. Then, with your rubber mallet, install the dowels into one end of the drawer box. Fold the remaining portion of the drawer box over the panel, making sure to align the dowels with the dowel holes. With your rubber mallet, tap on the side of the box to finish seating the dowels. There you have it, one completed drawer box ready to be installed.